Hey guys, welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. I did this haul at CVS. Yes, I did. Well, the first thing I did when I went in, I had a prescription I had to pick up. And you know that the red box, the coupon center, at my store has been completely broke down for weeks now, and you can't get your coupons unless you go to the counter and you buy something, and then sometimes you're not going to get them even when you buy something. So anyway, I had to pick up a prescription, so I did get coupons back. Look at this, $4 off 20 your next purchase. I even got a extra care buck, and I just got a slew of coupons, and this is just all from getting a prescription. So you got to figure out what to do to get your coupons, right? All right, anyway, so my first transaction that I did here was, let's see, what did I buy? Is this the first one or the second one? Because I did basically the same thing. I think, no, this one is the first one. This was the second one. That one was the second one. This is the first one. Okay, look how long. It's a long one, okay? All right, so let's see what I did first. I bought these Ritz crackers. They're cheese crackers. Not for me and my husband. I bought them for my grandchildren. I'm going to send them to them. They were 2 for $6, and you get back $1.25 when you spend, when you buy it, when you buy 2 of them. So I bought that in a transaction, and I also bought these Boost drinks. They were $9.79. You buy one, you get the other one 50% off. I had $5 off 2 coupons, $5 off of like 1, 2, off of 2 of them. And I used that twice. And I also used $10 in extra care bucks, and I had a $10 Care Pass reward. I've told you about the Care Pass reward. You pay $10. You pay $5 to join. You get 20% off of CVS medications, anything that has to do with medicine, and you also get $5 back. So they give you the $5 back plus an additional $5. So every month you get $10 in extra care bucks back that you can use on whatever you choose, all right? And so that's what I did. Oh, I gave them my $2, I think a register reward for $2, and they ended up reducing it to 36 cents. But look, guys, I didn't pay nothing out of pocket. I paid $0, all right? $0. 100% savings. I saved $50.14. That was good, wasn't it? Please. I didn't pay anything. Look what I got back. $1.25. That was for the crackers. $10. That was for the Boost. And I got a $25 off of any single item. And then $2. And that $2 was spending. It was rewards for your fall spending. That's the money that I spent. Then I got all these coupons. Got a lot of coupons back. Look at it. Oh, I got lots of coupons back. So that was my first transaction, and I got it for free. free with my extra care bucks and my care pass. I got it free. All right. Next transaction was I bought 2 more boxes of Ritz crackers. Why? Because this deal, I had to use another card from the card I used over here, because this deal is you can only do it one time on a card, right? So I used another card. Quite naturally, I was going to use another card. They're 2 for $6. You're going to get back $1.25. It's a great deal. And in this transaction, I also bought 2 of the vitamin C's. They were $7.49. And when you buy 2 of these Radiance vitamins, you spend $15, you're going to get $10 back. All right, so that was a great deal. And the other thing that I bought with this was some distilled water. I bought 2 big bottles of distilled water. That's 128 ounces. They were $1.59 each. I used that $10. I had $10 in Care Pass on this card. And I used $10 in extra care bucks. Out of pocket, I paid $4.16. See there? This is all of what I put here. See? This is all of what I got. I got back $10. That $10 was from vitamin C. And that $1.25 was from the Ritz crackers. And this particular card is the one that I use for the pharmacy. And as you can see, I got $2 back from the pharmacy on the for the fall spending. All right, so that was another great deal. This one was a 86% savings. And you're always trying to save when you shop, right? I saved $24.98. All right, guys, so this is all I bought from CVS. And, yeah, this is it. Except for the water. If the water was here, I took that upstairs already. If the water was here, you would see the water. But this is all I bought. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. That's the most important thing. All right, I love you much, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, guys, bye-bye.